So I just gave myself some highlights and I'm gonna wash it out and then I'm going to tone it. I have a 7N. Hopefully it doesn't make my blonde too dark, but if it does, it's okay. Okay, so I have the toner in now. I'm gonna wash it out. I'm gonna give it like 15 minutes and I'm gonna wash it out and then I'm gonna blow dry it and I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm doing a paint swatch. It kind of looks very, very similar. I didn't realize the color in this room was this color already, so I'm not sure. I think it's a little more neutral compared to the color that was on the wall previously. I'm unsure how I feel about this, but I could always change it. I wanted like really neutral tone in here, but I'm starting to think like maybe I should do like a warm tone. I'm unsure, I don't know. And then here it is on this wall. It is a lot lighter on this wall. You can see the difference. Yeah. Big boy. I got this shirt from Walmart. I think it was like $10. It's so comfy. I got it in a 2X, so that way it was like super oversized and comfy. I bought a couple other ones, but I got them in extra large. And they're comfortable, but this size just feels the most comfortable because I feel like everything kind of like wants to be tight around my belly. And I don't like that unless like I'm wearing something tight. You know how like things like feel different like when it's meant to be tight but it still has a little bit of stretchiness to it? Well, it just feels like a shirt that's tight. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's what it feels like and I don't like it. I still wear them because like that's what I have, and then they kind of like stay up a little bit so that my belly is like peeking. And I don't like that because that's not the look I'm going for. Riley taking a little nap on the floor. So comfy. I'm so excited that I got the Duna because it was the car seat that I wanted and I didn't think I was gonna get it. My dad got it for me and it was so nice. So I'm out of breath. But here's the crib and then that's the bassinet and you see Sophie. But here is his crib. It's so beautiful. We actually got this on sale at Bye Bye Baby. And it's so beautiful. The only thing is it has like this little scuff because it was like the floor model. So they didn't treat it with a lot of love. But it's so beautiful either way. It's such a nice color. I was going for more like a wood color, like just like natural, but it's fine. This crib I think was originally $500 and we got it for an amazing price. And then this is gonna be the wall color. I think I still want it like that. I think it'll look good with the I feel like in this room it's kind of pulling gray. And it's probably because of the color that's in here already. I don't know. But I did do a swatch in my room. So let's go in there and look. Okay, my room is a mess. So we're not going to look at the mess. But it doesn't look gray in here. It looks like more warm. I think this color was oatmeal. I think. I can't remember what the color is called. It's in the hallway, but there's a difference in the color, and I think it's because it's on white. It's on a white wall in here, and in the other one it's on like a tan wall. And Sophie's following me. And my baby. She wants all the attention. You deserve all the attention. So I made a list of today. I'm hoping I can get through this list. It's not a hard list, but I'm really tired, like all the time, and like I just want to sleep. I just want to take naps. I want to eat and take naps. Eat and take naps. I feel like being pregnant, like that's the hard part. That and like this is TMI, but like I'm so gassy and it stinks. Like I can eat so clean, like a bunch of fruit salads and everything, and it is still stink. Like it's so bad. So we've been honoring Black excellence with our series called Making Black History. And only 19 and only 19.